How to buy a domain name on Namecheap, tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with your own website building journey by purchasing your own domain name via Namecheap. So let's get into it. Now, Namecheap is an online platform which will allow you to buy a domain and other things. Not only do they provide domains, but they also provide you with hosting, WordPress, email marketing, application securities, and other things as well. So if you're looking to create your own website, then there are a lot of different things that you might need, and all of them are provided by Namecheap. So to get started with your purchasing journey, you're going to search for the domain name that you want. So if you go onto namecheap.com, this is going to be the dashboard, and this is going to just be the search bar over here. Within this search bar, you can just start and type in any kind of domain that you want. And for this video, I will just look for a sample domain. Now you can see I have searched for social guide. Now what it's going to do is it's going to show me the different names that are domain names that are available and the domain prices for those as well. Not only that, but it will also show me the different domains that are suggested or registered, and I can maybe contact this person, whoever has purchased this domain name, and be like, hey, I know you purchased this domain name, but I still want to get this domain name. So you can easily contact these people as well. But you can see that on the top you have socialguide.social. That is their first recommendation that they have given me, starting at $6.98 per year. And below that you have some suggested results. So the suggested results include socialguide.tips, socialguide.net, socialguide.org, and you can see the prices for these are variable. Obviously, some of these are premium domains, which means that it is a high valued domain, and premium domain names are usually super brandable keywords and short in length or are dictionary words, and hence why these prices are super high. These are selling for over around $2,000. This one is selling for over $2,000 per year. So you can see that if you want a premium domain, you will have to pay a hefty amount, but if you're going for a simple domain, then you can easily purchase that for around $20 to $30. Now you can see socialguide.inc is also available for around $1,000, and you have socialguide.xyz, and this is available for $1.79 per year. And now let's say you can scroll down and see more search results. You can also click on explore 400 more search results and find more results for this domain name as well. Let's say I want to continue with socialguide.xyz. So what I would just do is I would click on add to cart over here. And once you click on add to cart, you're going to see, so on the bottom right side of your screen, you're going to see one item has been added to your cart. You have view item and checkout as well. And once you add an item to your cart on Namecheap, then you have this socialguide.net premium version. You have the SSL security certificate. You have VPN. You have business emailing, premium DNS, social media managers, web hosting, and WordPress web hosting as well. So if you want to acquire any of these other services as well, you can add them to your cart directly. So if you want a SSL certificate for your website, you can add that as well. If you also want a web hosting, a website builder where you can also host your website, you can add that. But we're just going to continue with our domain name. So I'm going to click on view item over here. So you can see the item registration. Then if you are satisfied with only one item, we're just going to click on checkout on the bottom right over here. And once you click on checkout, this is going to be your actual checkout process. So once you have your checkout process, you will have this field first off, which is the how long you are going to actually register this domain for. So you can choose how long you want to register this domain for. You can choose a minimum of 1 year. So we can click on 1 year over here, and then you can choose if you want to auto renew this or not. So you can turn on and off these settings if you want to auto renew your domain name, or if you want to renew it as per your needs. Then you also have a ICANN fee, which is an annual fee of 0.18 cents for each year of domain registration, renewal, or transfer. Now below that you also have privacy and uptime protection. So you have a 1 year subscription, and you can choose to auto renew this forever as well. And this is like a 1 year subscription of domain privacy, which is provided to you for free. And then you also have premium DNS, which is also a guaranteed factor, which will enable you to have 100% uptime of your domain name. So you can enable that as well if you want, and this is going to cost you $2.88, but we're just going to disable this. And once you have added these things, you have set how long you want to purchase this domain name for, whether or not you want to auto renew or not. You're just going to click on confirm order over here on the right side of your screen. And once you do that, you're going to choose an account. So we're just going to sign up to our Namecheap account. So now you can see I have signed in via this account. So I just signed up and created my Namecheap account. All you have to do is enter your email address and a password and a username. So after that, you're going to choose what your company name is and job title is. If you're purchasing this domain name as an individual, you can unselect this option over here and then just scroll down. You will have to enter your address, city, state, province, and then your postal code and country. Then you have to enter your phone number, your fax number, and email address. And once you have added all of this information, so I'm just going to add all of this information. So now once you have added all of this information, you're going to have your registrant contract. So you can choose to use this default account contact as well, or add your own custom contact information. So that is going to be legally binding. The person that is legally binded to, pay the domain name fee. Below that, you also have a administrative contact, you have a technical contact, you have a billing contact. So you're going to add all of this information, and then you have your domain privacy. So domain privacy ensures that your personal info does not show up in the Whois database, so you can associate this at the time of purchase. Now after that, you're just going to click on continue over here. And once you click on continue, once you've entered all of this information, you can choose your payment method. So you can choose to enter a credit card, you can choose to enter a MasterCard, Visa card, or Discover card as well as American Express. Or you can also choose to PayPal. You also have account funds as well. So if you have added money to Namecheap, so if you've already added money to your Namecheap account previously, you can choose that as well, or just continue with PayPal. All of these methods are super secure and super simple to use. So you can choose any one of these methods as your payment method. Below that, you will have your receipt details, and then you have your renewal settings for your purchase as well. And you're just going to do that, and your domain name will be purchased. So that is how simple and easy it is to find and purchase a domain name via Namecheap. You can search for anything you want. Let's say we are looking for a domain name for fruits, you can find that. You can find different suggested results. Even if the domain name that you're looking for is very basic and taken, you can find some suggested results which would be a good suit for you. Then you also have domain auctions as well. So in this situation, you would actually have to bid on the domain name, and you can see the different domain names that are available. Then you also have the handshake, is where you can find a different domain name where a new kind of domain name is built. And then you also have a generator, so you can choose to add a specific kind of domain name for a specific price. And then you also have the beast mode, where you can enter quite a few different keywords to have the optimum domain name for your business. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to buy your own domain name via Namecheap, and you are now able to get started with setting up your online business, or to get started with your online presence on whatever kind of platform that you are on. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out our other videos as well. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And I will catch you guys in the next video.